Putting some primer on the roll bar before we paint it. We're going to be going with Rustoleym hammered. Let's see how that looks. Alright, seats removed. Well, passenger side. I'll probably have to remove the driver's side as well. First look, this is going to be my first look underneath this carpet. Might be solid, I have no idea. But from the looks of this, it's probably solid. So once I get all this out, I'll probably prime this and get it cleaned up and paint it. So after I ripped everything out, ripped the carpet out, this is the first time I've been able to get a look at it underneath. Actually, super solid for the most part. Got some surface rust that I'll clean up, get rid of. Then we'll seal the bottom floor. They ended up putting these short, or I say they, the previous owner put in a shorter seat platform or pan, which is why my seats work at my height, which is nice. I didn't realize that. Just thought I got lucky. Alright. Kind of where I'm at with the roll bar install. Currently bolted in, just in case I need to remove it. However, I'll probably end up lifting this up, sliding a plate underneath it and welding it all in once I'm 100% certain I don't need to get back there again, because it is a pain. Additionally, mistake I made, I think, is that I ordered this Autopower bar pre-assembled or pre-welded, and it said 65 through, I don't know, 71 or 73, and I got it a couple months back, painted it, it's been sitting there. I finally got around to doing all this and getting the floor pan sealed, and I had to replace this rear section, so that's lap welded and then seam sealed, and this is really wet right now because I just hit it with some extra paint. But these back bars actually went to the wheel well, but on the 65s right here there was a little bit of metal where that the original panel installs right here with the vents, and it's in the way, so I had to order the GT350R fiberglass panels. It's a little dark on the camera, I don't know if you can see, and I had to cut right here for that bar to go through. Fitment isn't that great, it ain't perfect. See, we've got this gap right in here. However, not a big deal for me, at least. I don't care. From a few feet away, it looks like a clean install. I still need to get the little rubber over there on that one. You can see this is a better angle for you guys, but bar goes through there. I'm going to put the rubber around the side. You can see this fiberglass one doesn't want to bend too much, afraid of cracking it, so I've got it held together just right there. I mean, again, I don't really care too much on fitment for everything, as I just want to drive this damn thing. That's why I wasn't worried about butt welding. I was like, you know what, I'm going to cut it out, lap weld it, patch it up, and then seam seal it and whatever. I'm putting the carpet back in. But that's where we are right now. It was an absolute pain to get this bar installed, get this in there before the bar was installed, and then get these in there, slide them in there. But it all came together. Yeah, but just a quick update on where we're at with the car. Mess in the garage. Needs to be washed. Hopefully get the carpet and the seats back in here soon, get everything cleaned up and get it out on the road. It's been a while. All right, nearing the end of this project. Got the carpet in, the seats in now, and then the harness is just kind of wrapped around the bar and then bolted in. Need to adjust them, and they put the shifter boot on, but right now that's where we're at. Yep, you can see the lack of fitment right there, but I don't care. That is your package tray, roll bar. That's how she is right now. Just figured I'd shoot a quick update. Now it's going to be pulling all the hardware out of the door, and I'm torn whether I want to pull it off and put in the 350R frame with the like plexiglass, or stick with this glass and put in a new I guess what regulator, and replace the gears that were stripped by the previous owner. And I'll have to do that on this side too, but right now looking pretty good.